Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Kaylana Chevelle. I am owner of Chevelle's Pretty Things. We are on Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. We were on Shopify, but we're not anymore. It was just too much to keep track of. But today I'm going to show you guys how I make my Ruby Rose lip gloss. So we're going to start with a 5.5 ounce bag of Versagel from TKB Trading. We're going to next go in with about 2.5 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil, and then another 1 to 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, and then 1 to 2 tablespoons of vitamin E oil, and you're going to mix it until you get the consistency that you like. I'm sorry you guys, whenever I'm mixing lip gloss, I always get so lost in the process. I just start mixing and I'm like, oh my god, this is so satisfying. Now we're gonna go in with our lip liquid from TKB Trading as well. I will link the color down in the description box. This is some glitter or sparkles or whatever you want to call it. I really love this color, but I was just unsure of like what to use it in. So when I was experimenting, I was like, I could put it in here. And lo and behold, I really love the combination of these two. Sorry you guys, I was mixing with one hand and recording with the other hand. I was like trying to take clips and it just was not working, but I did my best, y'all. As you can see, I went back in with more lip liquid color because I didn't think it was deep enough. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, this is still not as deep as the color as I wanted, but I figured out how to get it like a deeper color, like more pigmented, and I'm gonna make a new video on that as well. So just look forward to that. Here I go again, y'all. I'm just getting so lost in the process again. I'm sorry. I was just so lost in the gaze of this shiny lip gloss. I was like, yes, I'm ready for you. Oh my god. So now that we're all done, we're gonna put this inside of a 4-ounce jar and tightly seal it. This is what it looks like in the jar. I swear to goodness, it looks way better in person. But this is the finished product. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll have another video coming out soon.